Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Day for Dynamic. Today we are going to solve another problem from LeetCode. Problem name is con prefix and suffix pair. So basically here you are given zero index string array which is called words, and here he is saying something. Let's define a boolean function is prefix and suffix that to take two string 1 and string 2, and it will return true if string 1 is both prefix and suffix of string 2, and false otherwise. So basically we have to check this string is prefix and suffix of this string. Here it will return true if both are prefix and suffix. Here he explains some example. For example, like ABB and ABBA. So ABA is a prefix here. You can see that this is a prefix, and if we say mm, this one ABA, this is suffix. So for this case we have to return true, and otherwise we have, for this case, ABC is a prefix we have, but for d value, for suffix value we don't have suffix here. So for this case it return false. Return an integer denoting the number of indexing pair comma j such that I less than equal to j. So basically I always is less than j, not equal. And here he is giving some example. So let me jump into the PPT. I'm going to explain from this. So here I copy the same example, which is A and A, and A. And after that we initialize, like this is a zero index, so it is zero index. So and I initialize it from like here 0, 1, 2, and 3. And here we need a two variable, which is first variable is I is equal to 0. So and it starts from 0 index, and we need another variable j, which we start just immediately from I, because I is always less than to j. So we can't consider j is equal to 0 here, because I must have to greater value. For this case, we have to check for prefix. Like we can see that ABA has A as a prefix. So this is a true, and here you can see that suffix, for suffix ABA, we have A as a suffix. So this is a true. So we need a variable result here, which will store our result. So this is a true condition. So we have to consider. So it become 1. And now we have to move j to index 2. Again, here we have to check for prefix and suffix. You can see that A is a prefix and suffix also in this string. So we have to increment our result here. And similarly, now we have to increase our j value to 3. And we have to check for prefix and suffix. Both is like A is a part of A is the prefix in this word, and suffix in this word. So we have to increase our result, which become 3. So now we can see that we don't have next j value. So we will initialize I is equal to here 1 and j is equal to 2 here. And for this we can see that ABA is a prefix and ABA is a suffix on this word. So we have to increment 1, and for now we have to increment j value by 1. And similarly, you can see ABA is not a prefix and not a suffix, so we don't have to increment our result. Now Here you can say that we increment I is equal to 2, so we have to start j is equal to 3. Only we have, so for this case we don't have also. This is not valid case, so we don't have to increment anything. So we have in the question for the Java problem, I copied the same here. Uh, this method is already given. We have words, list of array of words, and here I initialize two value. Uh, First one is result, which is initially 0, and n, which is the words length. Now we need here two for loop. First for loop, I initialize I, which will go to I less than equal to n, and we need another for loop for store j, which will start from I plus 1. So because j must be greater than I. Now here we have to check each prefix and suffix. If we pass both what are e and what j. If this is true, so it will return, it will increment result our, and here we have our function like I'm using like string 2 and string 2 start with string 1 and string 2 end with string 1. So basically it will check it, if it is start with this, so this means it is a prefix, and if it string 1 is end with the end with sorry, if string 2 end with string 1, so this is a suffix. Now here we have to just return our result, and that's it guys. So thank you to watching my channel. If you like my video and if you have any suggestion, please feel free to comment, and thank you again.